Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so I am Muhammad Fitri bin Ismail and my matrix number is 821EC0076. I am from section 11 and I am from group 7. Okay, so today I will do my self-reflection video about leadership. Okay, so firstly I will talk about the project background, which is firstly the system that we will do is tree planting system, and our stakeholder is Sawit Kinabalu, and the domain that we will be used is web-based application. Okay, so for the first part is I will talk about my self-reflection that I get from the project. So I get to learn many new leadership skills based on each phase of the project. So this project has 4 phases, which is the first one is the proposal, which I get the skill of critical thinking, where I need to brainstorming to figure out the plan and the essential things needed for our system. And then for the second phase, which is the SRS, I get the skill of creativity, where I need to create the use case diagram and the domain model for the overall system to link and make sure that it works. And then for the third part is the SDD, where I need to enhance my strategy, where I need to configure out the suitable architecture design and distribute the use case into the package diagram. And finally is the phase 4, which is the STD, where I need to enhance my problem solving, where I need to ensure that the system will run smoothly without any problem by running the possible query, the test to our system. Okay, so for the second part is the question, what are the essential knowledge and skills that a leader must possess in order to ensure the success of a project? Okay, so firstly I think communication. Communication is a crucial skills that the leader must possess, because we need to communicate properly and effectively to ensure that the work is going smooth and efficient at the same time. Secondly is the decision making. Decision making, where the leader needs to have the to carry the burden of decision making to ensure that it is the best decision to make it out of all. Okay, so thirdly is the confidence, because confidence to keep the members to have a strong faith in the leader. A strong confidence is needed as well to make a tough decision when the time is needed. Okay, so this can all be seen from the proposal phase, where although it is a brainstorming session where everyone gives their idea, but it needs a proper communication, the confidence of the leader, and also the decision making to make sure that the final output is proper and satisfies everyone, which I have done. And for the last part, which is the question of what are the key qualities that an effective leader should possess to ensure the success of a project. Okay, so for the first one, which I think is the most important, is active listening. Because although we are the leader, we have to be ready to accept and hear everyone's idea and opinion on something to make sure that everyone is contributing and happy with the decision that will be made. Okay, so next is the delegation. As a great leader, we need to make sure that we did the best delegation by giving everyone fair amount of work and the most suitable for each role, so they can perform at their most. So lastly, I think is integrity, because of course listening and tolerate to others is important, but as a truly great leader, we need to have our integrity, where we have a strong moral and harness to everyone to ensure that everything is according to the correct principle. So this all can be seen while I myself being a leader for the phase 4, for the testing phase, where I readily listening to everyone's opinion and I ensure to distribute the work fairly and honest to everyone. Okay, so that is all from me for the self-reflection video. Thank you.